How to use our capsule coffee machine. First, put the coffee capsules in here. Unclose it like this. Select Paramon. Here we can choose the desired cup type. Here we choose this. If you twist, you can choose something else. If we want to get hot water directly, without coffee, press this for 3 seconds. After that, if you come up with coffee, press this for 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds. We just wait for the coffee to come out. After the coffee is made, just open it and throw away the coffee capsule. Close it at the end.